I'm Tim Knifton with RSVP Las Vegas. I went through Kevin's Voice of the Buyer workshop, and that helped me get one of my potential clients over the line. We'd been discussing how we'd help him make money. I immediately implemented Kevin's AI testimonial review with him so that we can actually find out why his clients are using them. And then we were able to upsell them to a better package using Kevin's Voice of the Buyer Done For You program from session 3. I was able to basically help him reach his goals of targeting a very specific community in Las Vegas with the Voice of the Buyer, so that now he's confident and not worried about getting results from the postcards and the direct mail campaign that we're setting up for him. He knows he's going to be successful. And that resulted in a $55,000 contract for me. And he'll be my exclusive pest control advertiser in the Las Vegas area. So thanks again, Kevin. It was a wonderful workshop. I'd recommend it to everybody. It's quick, easy, and practical for anybody in marketing.